Hi there, this is Karen McNall, and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and I live in the lovely state of Vermont. Welcome to my channel, and if you are a first-time viewer, thanks so much for stopping by, and I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post another video or come to you live on YouTube. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. It's December 29th, 2022, and today I'm so excited to bring you my second in a series of crafting kits. I've been working on this one for about 2 weeks, give or take. This is one of my favorite craft fair, farmer market items to make. I have so much fun with them, and I know you're going to too, because I'm going to make it so easy with my crafting kit. So in front of me here are the list pad and pen holder kits that you will be making. The only way, and this is the only way you can register for this offering, is to be on my email list, and that's how you'll get the registration link. And the reason why is that I'm offering a few items that I cannot stockpile or offer as a cash and carry per Stampin' Up policy. It's not my policy, it is Stampin' Up's policy, and I abide by their policies. You can email me. My email address will be in the description box, and that is Karen@inspiredbygram.com. So in front of me are the list pad and pen holder kits that you'll be making just like this. The cardstock will be the same. The pens are going to be different colors. I can't guarantee you on pens because, you know, you never know what's going to be available, but I will definitely give you an assortment of colors. The cardstock that's used on the holder will be the same. The pattern paper is going to be the same as well. So let's take a look at the list pads here. So I'm using Stepping Stones stamp set. It's a cling stamp set, red rubber. And I'll go over the sentiments with you. There's 6 sentiments in this stamp set, and it works perfectly because you're going to be making 6 list pads. All right, so this one says, "Dream no small dreams, for they have no power to move the hearts of men." And then this one is how I designed this one. It uses Starry Sky cardstock. The next one here is "Follow Your Own Star." And this is how I designed this one. And also the back side is designed as well and decorated inside, back side, and front side. All right, so that's that one. The next one here says, "An obstacle is often a stepping stone." I used crushed curry for the base, and then that's that one and this one. Now the list pad here, I don't know what you're going to get because it depends on what's available, but I'll do my best to give you a selection that will work with the pretty paper that you see in front of you. Here's another one. It's kind of fun. It says, "Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been." I think that is very, very true. "Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much." I did forget to show you guys the inside of this one. This one uses some fresh freesia, and I kind of wanted to give it a little bit of color other than the green. Okay, so again, this one says, "Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much." And I'm using Old Olive as a cardstock, and look how beautiful that is. I love Stampin' Up's. Their color coordination is so spot on. And then the last one here uses Rich Raspberry. And the sentiment says, "Great works are performed not by strength, but by perseverance." And then this one here has got that lovely blue that goes so nicely with the Rich Raspberry. Okay, so this is what you'll be making. Do you guys want to see the kit? I've got it all set and ready to go so you can see exactly what you will be receiving. Let me grab it right here. Okay, so this is how it will come to you. I have the written instructions printed out in color. And then this is all of the happiness. Look at all of this. All right, we're going to open it up together so we can see what is inside of this kit. And there is a lot. So we'll be really careful to slide everything out. I've kind of got everything packaged as best I can. Great. Lots of noise with the cello bags here, but let's get these all out here so you can see exactly what you'll be receiving. All right, I think I've got it all here for you. Okay, so let's go over the instruction sheet first. Here it is. I'm going to print this for you, and I also will email it to you as well, so you'll have it and you can save it on your computer. There's no need to print this out on your side. The only thing is my printer did not like rich raspberry, as you can see in front of you, so pardon that color because that is not the real color. But you can see that I have the supply list, the main focus, cardstock colors, ink pads, dies and punches that I use, and then all the Stampin' Up! Adhesive and tools. I've got the measurements so you'll know how to cut your cardstock. And if you want to use this for future craft fair items, you'll have all the measurements here. I go step by step with you on how you create the holder. That's the main piece that you really need to work on. All the designer series paper is going to be cut for you, so that is not necessary on your side. And then I also will include some Amazon links that have the list pads that are very close to the ones I'm using. The ones I'm using came from Walmart, but I found some on Amazon that are only like 2 cents more, and they are much better designs. You might just have to adjust your measurements. I haven't worked with them yet, but definitely I would check those out. And also the Bic pens. I found some really nice price point with some good pen color options. All right, so that's your instruction sheet. And then we've got the cardstock. So it's 8.5 by 11, and the colors are Crushed Curry, Old Olive, Mossy Meadow, there's that Rich Raspberry, Blackberry Bliss, and Starry Sky. And this is just some cardstock here that I put in there for shipping and packaging. All right, so then you'll receive 6 pens, and I'll do my best to give you some good colors, but they will be assorted pens. You will also receive 6 list pads, assorted designs. This is what I have here in front of me, but I really don't know what I'm going to get until actually I order them, okay? So those, you'll have 6 of those. And then in this package here, I always include a nice little quick and easy tag. This one is going to have my grandmother's ribbon on it, so I'll make sure I have some of my grandmother in this package as well. She'd be so happy that I'm doing this. All right, so in this package here, so much stuff in this one too. So many products, and you're going to have so much left over that you're going to be able to mass produce these for farmer markets or craft fairs, or make them as gifts. These make lovely gifts, especially this time of year when everybody's going into the year 2023 and want to be organized. So I've got a bottle of the multi-purpose liquid glue, because I do use that in this project. You'll have a full pack of the rhinestone basic jewels. And I'm not sure if you did see those, but every single one is embellished with the rhinestones. All right, you'll have a full pack of the tear and tape adhesive. Recommend this. You have to use really strong tape for this project. And a package of the Stampin' Dimensionals, because, you know, who doesn't want Stampin' Dimensionals? They're self-adhesive phone mounts. And there's 300 in here, so you know you're going to have lots of extras. And then let me just go through these really carefully, because this is packed how I'm going to have it packed. So each one is going to have their die cuts or punches or whatever you're using in that list pad. So for instance, this one here is going to have the stitch rectangle, the seasonal labels dies, and I'll have that cut for you. And then this is the pattern for this one. There's 3. There's 2 cut at the same size, and then one is a little bit different. And then here's the Starry Sky one. So you've got the die cuts, the strip, and then here's this one. And then you've got some punch shapes here, and some strips, some Blackberry Bliss, and then the pattern paper. And then here's some more stitched rectangles and pear pizzazz punch shape. Okay, and that's the green one. See, here's that fresh freesia. Here's some more stylish shapes, not stylish shapes, stitch rectangles. And then this pattern's really beautiful as well. I love this backside pattern too. And then the last one is this one. We've got some deckled rectangles. And then here's some more sheets cut for you. And then this is just packing material just to make sure everything stays nice and flat for you. So let me just kind of flip this around because I don't want to get this out of order. I worked so hard to get this one in order. Okay, so let's slide this over so you can see exactly what you've got in front of you. Now, the only thing that is not included in my pricing is the stamp set. So let's go over the ordering information and what this cost in the timeline. So the price of the crafting kit is $46. This includes everything you see in front of you. So we already took a look at it. So you'll see, again, assorted list pads. Don't really know what you'll get, but they'll be fine. And then some assorted pens as well. The stamp set is called Stepping Stones. It's a cling stamp set, red rubber, and it can be added on to your order as an add-on for just $22. I'll cover the sales tax and the shipping expense to get it from the warehouse to my home in Vermont. That will save you a little bit of money on your side. I don't mind doing that. So the kits are only available for U.S. customers, and any U.S. demonstrator is welcome to order this kit from me. I know many of you are vendors at craft fairs, so my kit will kind of enable you to try out before you buy a ton of supplies. So who wants to buy 240 pens when you may not even know if you like to do this? I know I do. So I would buy 240 pens. Okay, so let's make sure you enjoy making it before you invest your money in future supplies. Another way you can use the kit is to have a girls' night out, maybe crafting with your grandkids, your own kids, and you name it. Each person can make their own with the supplies right here. So you can have up to 5 people and you make one too, or you can just have 6 people over and you can teach them how to make this. Okay, so this, again, it's only available, the registration link is only available by email. You can request the registration ordering link by emailing me again. That email address is karen@inspiredbygram.com. I will also be posting this crafting kit on my blog and my Facebook page as normal. So make sure you follow me on social media and my email marketing for the next crafting kit coming to you soon. I'm going to try to bring those out, at least one out every single month for you guys. So you can start making your craft fair items now so you're not rushing come October, September, August when they all start. You need to be making these now, especially when things are on sale. You want to grab things that are definitely on sale. So again, the deadline to register and order the kit here is Wednesday, January 11th, 2023 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So once I place my order for all the products that I need, I'll be shipping these out around January 18th, depending on when product gets to my house here. So I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to inspire others to create. Happy crafting.